Milk to Ice Cream by Lisa M. Herrington. Here we have the table of contents. A table of contents lets us know what topics are covered in a book and what pages you can find them on. Let's go ahead and get started. From farm to factory. Ice cream is a cool treat. Get the scoop on how it's made. And look, it has a caption. The caption tells us what's happening in the picture. Ice cream shops offer many tasty treats. And here is an ice cream shop, and he has lots of different treats or different flavors of ice cream here and lots of treats here in the back. Milk is needed to make ice cream. Milk comes from cows. Fun fact, ice cream is a dairy food. Dairy foods are made from milk. Other dairy foods include cheese and yogurt. Farmers milk the cows. Machines pump the milk through tubes. Caption: farmers use machines to milk many cows at once, just like this machine here. Milk flows into tanks. The tanks cool the milk. These tanks are about as cold as your refrigerator. The milk is put into trucks. The caption here says, a driver fills his truck with milk. The trucks bring the milk to ice cream factories. Fun fact, the first ice cream factories opened in the United States during the 1850s. Mixing the ice cream. The milk goes into a big machine. Cream and sugar are mixed in with the milk. Caption: the worker adds sugar to a vat of milk. The milk travels to another machine. It is heated to kill germs. This machine is called a pasteurizer. And look, in case you weren't sure how to say this word, they gave us some hints here. Pasteurizer. Caption: the pasteurizer makes the milk mix safe to eat. A tasty treat. We're working on another subtopic here. The fat in the milk mix is broken up. The mix cools and becomes thicker. Caption: inside this machine, the mix starts to look more like soft ice cream. Oh my goodness. It looks like one of the words here on the page looks a little different. This word right here is bold. And when we see words in nonfiction books that are bold, it's telling us that that's an important word, or a word that they can give us a meaning to at the end. The flavor is added to the ice cream. Then the flavored mix is put into a freezer. Air is pumped inside to keep the ice cream smooth. Fun fact, vanilla is the most popular ice cream flavor in the United States. Chocolate is the second. The smooth ice cream is poured into containers. Ooh, another key word. This is when other things like nuts, fruit, or chocolate chips would be added. Caption: the worker fills containers with ice cream. The ice cream is put into big freezers. It becomes hard. Then the sweet treat is taken to stores. Caption: the worker stacks containers of ice cream in a freezer. Ice cream can be enjoyed in many ways. Some people like it in a bowl or a cone. How do you like your ice cream? Fun fact, people in the United States eat more ice cream than people in any other country. Wow, that means we eat a lot of ice cream. And here it is, scholars. We have our step-by-step instructions on how ice cream is made. That's what we were talking about in our mini lesson. Step 1, farmers milk cows. Step 2, milk goes to factories. Step 3, cream and sugar are added. Step 4, the mix goes through machines and flavor is added. And step 5, the ice cream is poured into containers and frozen. So there you go. Sometimes nonfiction writers tell information in the order it happens, and this author, Lisa M. Herrington, definitely told all of that information in order. This section of our nonfiction text is called a glossary. Remember all of those words that we saw that were bold? Well, here in the glossary, they give us information on how to say it, containers, and they give us a definition or the meaning of what that word means. Containers, boxes or some other objects that are used to hold something. Factories, buildings where things are made. Flavor, something added to food that gives it taste. Pasteurizer, a machine that kills germs. Now, one more feature in our nonfiction text is this right here. It's called the index. The index lets us know what page to find information. So if I wanted to know where I can go to find information about factories, I would go to page 14. Let's see, let's try that out. I'm looking at the page numbers at the bottom. Page 14. And there it is. It's a page talking about the factories. If I wanted to talk about milk, I can see that they talk about milk on all of these pages. So if I turn to page 6, 9, 10, 13, 14, 17, 18, and 21, milk is talked about on all of those pages. If you would like to find out facts or more facts about ice cream, you can go to www.factsfornow.scholastic.com and enter the keyword ice cream. The last feature here at the bottom is about the author. Lisa M. Herrington writes books and magazine articles for kids. She lives in Trumbull, Connecticut with her husband and daughter. She loves hot fudge sundaes with rainbow sprinkles on top. Oh, so she also likes ice cream. I wonder, what is your favorite ice cream? And there it is, scholars. Milk to ice cream. Thank you for joining me today.